A few missed turn signals quickly turned into a full-blown chase through the streets of Atlanta. Edward Lee Brown Jr. wasn't just fleeing, he was weaving through neighborhoods, dodging multiple pit attempts, and even driving the wrong way on I-85.
On Harrison Road, coming up on Rugby Avenue. Right-hand turn on Bachelor Street. Right-hand turn on Cambridge. Taking 85 south. Okay, take with me, medium walk. Crossing over Talton Terrace, coming up on Norman Berry Drive. Contact patrol vehicle. Taking Cleveland Avenue exit. He is keeping straight across the intersection. He's 1050 with another vehicle. And he's still rolling left on Cleveland Ave. Out of control, almost at a pedestrian, Springdale Road. Getting out of the vehicle, Springdale Road. Right now! Right now! Put your hands on your back!
William, 355.
No, looks good.
I'm trying to figure out why I was being chased.
Black female. Very straight hoodie, black female.
Being chased, you know?
Edward Brown, what's up? What? Hold up, what's wrong?
What's your first name, Edward?
What's wrong?
What's your middle name?
What's up, man?
What's your middle name?
Why? Why?
That's fine.
You just put me on the whole field chase, man. What the man? Hey, man. Man, look, man, y'all ain't finna do me like this, man.
After several failed takeout attempts and a dangerously reckless run, the suspect's vehicle finally gave out from damage. Taken into custody at gunpoint, Brown was medically cleared and booked, bringing his high-risk stunt to an abrupt and well-deserved end. A red Volkswagen Beetle flying down Highway 70 at 64 and a 40 wasn't just speeding. It was about to launch into a chaotic chase through Bisco. Dwayne Jones had no intention of pulling over.
We're pulling into a residence, going through the yard. Let me see your hands! Wrecked out. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see both of your hands! Both of your hands at the window. With your left hand, open the door. With your left hand, open the door.
God damn it, you hurt. Chance, you hurt my arm, man. Chance, my arm is hurt.
Start me at 10, 16 minutes. 10, 11.
Chance, my arm is hurt, bro. Please. Chance.
What?
Man, my arm is cramped. My right arm. I heard it when I ripped.
Yeah, I'm good. We just lay till.
After blowing past stop signs, crashing into a light pole, and trying to loop through a yard, Jones was taken down and cuffed, with Xanax in a mislabeled bottle and a list of charges including felony fleeing and reckless driving. His day ended behind bars at the Prairie County Detention Center. Clocked at 75 and a 40, a silver Hyundai Santa Fe wasn't just speeding, it was history repeating itself. Demetrius Rumpf, already known to deputies for fleeing before, was about to turn Cherokee County roads into a danger zone. After running red lights, crashing into a patrol car, and injuring a deputy, Rumpf made one last run on foot, only to be dropped by a taser and cuffed moments later. With multiple warrants and a pile of new charges, his getaway streak finally came to an end. What began as a 105-mile-per-hour blur on the radar turned into a high-speed pursuit through northwest Arkansas. The driver, Jennifer Hampton Higgins, weaved through traffic at 110 miles per hour until a well-timed TVI brought her to a stop.
TVO. Hey, hands! 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 Give me your hands! Open the door! Open the door! Right before the 5. Step out! Step out! Step out! Face away from me! Face away from me! Get down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Oh my gosh, I just got a call that my patient may be confirmed dead. EMS is there right now. I'm sorry, I had my hands on. I'm trying to get there. I'm on the phone with 911 right there.
Inside the car, troopers found a pound of marijuana, over 65 grams of hydrocodone, and more than $2,000 in cash. Despite her excuse of rushing to a patient, Hampton Higgins now faces serious felony charges and a much slower ride to jail. A red Chevy Equinox weaving up the shoulder was just the beginning. When troopers tried to pull the driver over, he nodded, "Okay," then floored it, launching a wild pursuit through the heart of Atlanta.
468 Atlanta, 1030. Please stop. Please stop. Atlanta, we're continuing northbound on the shoulder.
Yeah, 4, do you want some trip?
Yeah, 10-4 on 10.
You go ahead and drive. What you need, I'll call you.
Red.
14, be with 14 clear, got on, sir.
1050.
1050, 1050.
After crashing into a guardrail and running on foot, D'Angelo Rogers was caught and cuffed. Inside the vehicle, a loaded gun, fake checks, and a baby bottle filled with suspected promethazine. Already wanted for aggravated assault, Rogers now faces a new stack of felony charges.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.